could always be the one you wanna call when it's cold outside. I will always be the one that's right here standing by your side. Open up your heart and let me in. I promise not to break you. I promise I'll be all that you want.
Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys? I'm fine now. I was away from YouTube since the last 2 weeks as I was not doing well. Right now I'm fine. I could not shoot anything and I could not post anything for you guys. I missed you a lot personally and I hope you also missed me. So today I'm back again with a new video and today I'll be doing a tutorial of this makeup look. So there's a very simple yet gorgeous glam makeup look which you can do if you're going to any party or wedding. So stay tuned if you want to know how I created this look. So before moving on with today's video guys, if you're here on my channel for the first time, if you're watching my videos for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the like button. So without further ado, let's get started. So for primer today I am using Nivea After Shade Balm. Priming is important because it reduces your open pores and gives a smooth surface for the foundation to glide on. For foundation today I am using a liquid foundation from Focallure and my shade is 04 Natural. I'll be doing a review of this one very soon on my channel. I am using a damp beauty blender to dab the foundation on my skin. Next for concealer I am using one from the same Focallure brand and my shade is 05 Tan. This concealer also acts as a good highlighter, so I am highlighting my under eyes and over the lid with this one. To bake my face I am using this ADS Luxury Powder in the shade Banana and using it to bake my under eye areas and also using it as a setting powder on my lids. For my eyebrows today I am using this Maybelline New York Fashion Brow Cream Pencil in the shade Brown. After brushing off the excess powder, I am starting with my eye makeup. Applying this shade as a base from my Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. With a fluffy brush, I am applying it on my crease. Next, taking this darker shade and I am applying it as a transition color. Now I am taking a flat brush and taking the shimmery shade and placing it on the center of the lid. Today's eye makeup is gonna be very simple. After this I'll be blending everything out with a clean fluffy brush. Taking the same darker shade which I used for transition, I am applying it on my lower lid with a pencil brush. Now taking a beautiful golden shimmery shade from Wet n Wild and placing it right on my lid with my finger. This shade is called Brass. And then again I am smoothing out the harsh lines with a fluffy brush. Next, taking this illuminating shade from my Makeup Revolution Pro palette and applying it on the inner corner of my eyes and also on my brow bones. Next, I'm lining my eyes with Nykaa Black Magic liquid liner and the shade that I'm using is Super Black 01. This is a beautiful and long stay eyeliner, and if you guys want me to do a review of the same, then definitely let me know in the comment section below. Next, lining my lower waterline with a kajal from Plum, and it is the famous Plum Natur Studio All Day Wear Kohl Kajal. Also tight lining my upper waterline with the same. Next, for mascara, I am using Maybelline Hyper Volume Express Mascara, and later on will apply falsies. To set my face makeup, I am using my new and best buy MAC Studio Fix powder plus foundation, and my shade is NC41. This is a beautiful compact, and again if you want a review of this, let me know. Next, using this shade from AD's the Balm Palette to contour the hollows of my cheek, my hairline and jawbone to give that chiseled defined effect to my look. For blush, I am using this shade from my ODBO palette. Next, highlighting the cheekbones, my cupid bow, chin area and my forehead with the same Illuminator from Makeup Revolution. Lipstick, today I am using this beautiful burgundy shade from Huda Beauty. This is a dupe of the original Huda Beauty which I bought from a local store. To complete the entire look, now I'll apply falsies.
I could always be the one you wanna call when it's cold outside. I will always be the one that's right here standing by your side. Open up your heart and let me in. I promise not to break you. I promise I'll be all that you want. So let me in my heart before. Let me in. Oh.
So this is the final look that I have created today. I hope you liked this video and found it useful. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.